Hello everyone, this is Mohammed Sanaullah and today I'm going to teach you how can you recover your old Facebook account without email and password. So you must have at least your old account username. So in my case I'm using my account username to recover my old Facebook account. If you know your email then it will be good, so if you don't have, so don't worry. So in my case I will use the username and my old password. If you don't know the old password, you must have old devices where you were using your old account. So here I will just enter my username and my old password. Just enter the username and old password and hit enter. So it says you have entered an old password and you can't even log in with this password. So just click on the request a new password. Just click no longer have access to these. Just click on this and just click on I can now access my email account. So it will redirect to the new page and they will just need your all the information you have added in your account. You must have a national ID card number, you must have a new email on your name, and you must have your date of birth on your national identity card. So in my case I'm using email address. I'm using any email address. You must have use email, like if you have a name and John Smith on your account, then you must have a email like johnsmith@gmail.com, johnsmith@yahoo.com. You can add digits and alphabets as well. Just click on the continue button. So here you have to enter your name and upload your identity card or any computerized card where your name and your date of birth should be on the card. So just enter the name and click upload ID card. Select which card you have. So I have national identity card, so I will choose this and just click on the next button. So upload your identity card. So where you have saved your file, just click on this and click the next button. It will take some time to upload the file. Let me tell you something, it's depend on your account. If you are using with the old device, so it will take some time to recover. If you are using with the other devices, so it will take some days. So just click on the send button. So as you can see, thanks for connecting Facebook. You could receive an email response shortly. So let's check our email. So I use a newly made Gmail address. Sometimes it takes 5 to 10 minutes and sometime it takes many days. So you just have to wait for the response. So they will send you the recovery email address, or they will just directly add the email you have added. It means they won't send you any email, but they directly added the recovery email you have added for the recovery process. So let's wait and they will directly add it, or they will send you the verification link on your email. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe this channel and thumbs up the video. If you face any problem, you can comment in this video section and also reach me out on my Facebook page. Thank you.